Basta kayo mag-isa.
Hindi ko nalalagyan ng airbrake.
Okay na, no?
No more airbrake.
Today is July 8th.
8? 10?
I'm 2 days late. It's 5 o'clock in the afternoon, and we are here at Baliwag Flying Field, and we are going to have a maiden flight of the Index 2.2. Okay? Okay, let's see.
How many bottles of beer have you had to drink?
7.
Okay. Tailwind.
Lakas ng hangin.
Wow, very stable, oh! Wow, very stable, oh!
Yeah.
Wow! Ricardo.
Sunset.
Into the sun. Ako, ayan, wala. Hindi ko na makita. Where are you?
Binaba ko nga kasi
Yun.
medyo cover ko, dapat mawala mo daw yun eh.
Yay!
Hindi ko mawala ko eh. Ingit! Bumababa kami. Kanina talaga, nung nagpapalibad ako, bigla umulan. Papa mo.
You?
3D plane.
3D indoor plane
That went maiden outdoors.
with a 10 km/h wind.
On the maiden flight.
Crosswind pa.
Lagyan mo kaya trim ng elevator na bitawan mo yung ano, yung remote. Nakatrim mo na. Reverse. Masaya, oh.
Diyan ba, no? Ito na.
Sila.
Sige, lapit.
Yeah. Another one. How was it?
Parang lechon lang nung pulutan ko kanina.
Sarap!